Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you are already subscribed. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute updo that I did on the 4th of July, so just stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this look. So you want to start by sectioning off the part that's going to be your bang. The gel that I'm using is Eco Gold. It's also the gel that I use to do this wash and go. And I just sprayed the perimeter of my hair with some water, and then after that I'm going to apply the Eco Gold to my hair. So for my puff, I'm going to be using this Goody headband. It's long and skinny, and all you have to do is just wrap it around your head twice and then push it up in the back. And I'll link in the description box where you can get it from. So I'm just applying some more Eco to my edges, and then I'm using my two-sided edge control brush. I got this brush from Amazon, and I'll also link this in the description box below. And here I'm just using my pick and fluffing for volume. So for this hair tie, I actually took an old bonnet that I found and I cut the fabric. So this is not like a hair tie you can buy. I just actually made it myself. So basically, if you don't want to go out and buy a hair tie, you can always find some old fabric around the house. If you like this style, make sure you comment below and let me know what you think, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thank y'all for watching.